28,000 but inclusive. Yo, good morning. Ito lipa unit natin, 28 square meter. Pasukin natin. Ito open space lang dito, tapos may CR doon, naka PVC ceiling din. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng mga bedroom. 28 square meter, then ito yung CR. Kulang na lang dito, shower enclosure, then konting linis. Yan, dalawang windows. Tapos may nagpalagay kasi si owner ng outdoor kitchen in between ng two lipa units. Then, ayan. 728,000 but inclusive. Then, 28 square meter. Tapos, additional na lang for the mobilization and demolition. Or kung kailangan ng permits, ayun yung mga isang additional. Pero itong unit na to, kasama yung bat, nasa 728. Yun lang, thank you po.